In this episode, we're going to be putting this yellow box on this black truck. So now we're going to bring the truck back in after I swept nice, and we're going to put some Cognito tubular upper control arms on it. So you guys don't know this, but this wheel was heating up while I was driving it for my daily for a while. So I had to put a caliper on. So this is a brand new caliper. Hey kids, so we have these tubular control arms that have been sitting here for a long time. So we're gonna put them on the truck.
Why?
Because I got them for a good deal and I want to put them on the truck.
But what's the difference?
They're tubular. Apparently with big wheels, it's better. And it's easier to replace ball joints when they wear out because they have stanced out wheels and they look nice. And if I ever lift this truck 12 inches, I can put two Fox shocks on top here. So now that we got those control arms assembled, we're going to put them on. We're going to start with the driver's side because it's the one that's been changed more recently. So leave comments guessing how long it's going to take me to change this. I've done a bunch of these at work, but they always seem to rust up bad. So put a timer down in the bottom corner and make your guess before you watch the whole video. Alright, ready? I don't have any tools out either. Ready, set, go. After a little over half hour, the easy side's now in.
What about the other side?
The other side's gonna take a lot longer because the bolts probably aren't gonna come out.
So we're gonna do that another day.
So we're probably gonna do that tomorrow. We're gonna go grab my nasty rims and tires, put them on here so that when I go to get an alignment, we don't shred the nice new Nito 420s. I'm gonna pull these rusty shocks off and put on some nice brand used freshies. We'll need that later, I'm sure. So let's see how they compare in length. out with the old and in with the new. So we ran all the wires we had to while the box is off and did what we could, obviously with shocks and whatnot. So now we're gonna get the box on, cut the hole for the stack, get the roll pan on, and then we can send the box off to paint.
Hey Josh,
Yeah?
what are you looking for?
Can't find my phone. Oh. I think I left it on the gas tank of my truck. So. It might be under the box that we just put on. Might be. I broke it. I don't even know how I'll get under there and look at it. But like,
Do we have to pull the box again?
no.
Is your ringer on? I'll call it.
If you text it, it'll vibrate. Though before I decide if I have to pull the box off to look for it, Mike's gonna quickly send a message to my phone and hopefully we can hear it if it's in there. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't see it. Maybe if I'm gonna look on this side first. Always I'll crawl underneath. Don't see anything. Oh hey. What is here? It was right beside the cross member. If it was like 6 inches back, the piece of the box would have sat on it. Anyways, Mike Boot sent me a message. Okay guys, so here's my spool bus. Before I paint the rest of the truck yellow, I'm just gonna put the roll pan on and then we can send it to paint and the roll pan can all get painted yellow at the same time. Now I'm gonna walk away. So this is the roll pan we ordered like 3 or 4 episodes ago. It's been sitting around for quite a while. We got some bubble wrap with it. So we'll take it out. It's looking good so far. It's a steel roll pan. Let's test fit it quick. We're gonna take the hitch off, but that's no surprise. And I'm hitting the thingamabobs. Well, that's fine. We'll take the hitch off and we'll see where we're at. So we got these LED light bars that I bought because no light bar company wants to sponsor this truck because it's not an off-road truck. So we're gonna put these flush mounts in this. Hey, that's nice. They're not very deep. That's better than the aux beam ones that we got sent for the shorty. We're gonna center them between the outside of this roll pan and the middle. And I had not seen these before, you guys. It's pretty awesome. They also have amber signal light in the middle of them. So we'll have an amber arrow in the pod lights. So they're dual purpose. That's pretty cool. So we got them all marked out. Now we're gonna hack it out and just send it. Hope they all fit. They both fit minty. Now we just gotta mark where to drill. So we're gonna just mock it up with 2 of the mounting screws that they give you. We're actually gonna weld this one in though. So I buffed pretty much all the paint off where we got to weld. Now it's time to weld the roll pan in. It's all welded in, but it's late and we're gonna leave it for another night because I want to go to bed. So I'm just putting the wiring for the lights in and the lights because I have to go bring this truck in for an alignment this tomorrow, so right shortly. And these are gonna have to come all back out in a few days to go for paint. So we're just gonna tuck everything together, a few little zip ties, and call her good because I got to drive it home. So I got all the wiring all tidied up underneath, and I got my 2 plate lights here. I just need to zip tie the wiring up, put probably 2 zip ties on it, and then we'll be good for a test drive before it gets completely dark out. So this is our first test drive with the new front end and the yellow box. I haven't been down the road yet, so we're gonna see how bad my alignment is because I got to drive about 45 minutes to get my alignment done. Definitely out, but it's not bad. Oh, my back window's fogging up.
I smell exhaust.
Yeah, because it has nowhere to go.
Yeah, we should fix that.
Yeah, we'll go cut a hole in the box. So you already saw us cut this hole out once on the old box. We didn't video it again. We cut it the exact same dimensions as the old box was, because we knew that worked excellent. So now we're just gonna throw some primer or something over it, just some paint so it don't rust, so the body shop can just scuff her back up again and paint it properly.